Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Ford Transit Connect XL. This four-door van has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 124,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power steering, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and power windows.